बोलना
ये क्यों कुछ
Assamese Vaishnavite culture. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Assamese Vaishnavite culture. Now, what is Vaishnavite? Today I am going to give a speech on Assamese Vaishnavite culture. Now, before going to start the Assamese Vaishnavite culture, let us we discuss on the Vaishnavite mark. On Vaishnavite mark, what is Vaishnavite mark? Actually, the persons or groups of persons who worship only Krishna, only Lord Krishna or Param Brahma is referred as a Vaishnavite. The group is called Vaishnavite, and the person who worship only Krishna is called Vaishnava. Now, how Vaishnavite culture come into existence in this world? We know that we have four yoga. Spiritually, we have four yoga: Satya, Treta, Dapar, Kali. Satya, Treta, and Dapar, three yuga were dominated by Gyan Marg and Karma Marg. What is Gyan Marg? The Gyan Marg is only to mediate, to get the divine, to reach the divine, to reach the Vaikuntha. That is Gyan Marg. Through meditation. What is Karma Marg? Karma Marg means the rituals practices which is required to reach the divine or to reach the Vaikuntha or heaven. But in both cases, in Jnana Marg and Karma Marg, meditations and rituals are practiced, but to get the full satisfactions or get the full result, they have to need the prayer of Lord Krishna or Param Brahma. So we have two different types of rituals. One is Yajna, Puja, along with the chanting of Hari Kirtan. Likewise in Gyan Marg also, meditation followed by chanting of the name of Lord Krishna or Param Brahma. But in Vaishnavite, no need go for any meditations or any ritual practice, only to worship Lord Krishna. Only to worship Lord Krishna. That is Vaishnavite Marg. In India, this Vaishnavite Marg is popularly known as Bhakti Marg. The other Marg are Jnana Marg, Karma Marg, and third one is Bhakti Marg, which is very essential and the dominant role, particularly in Kali Yuga. No Jnana Marg, no Karma Marg in Kali Yuga. In India, this Bhakti Marg is rooted in South India. Adi Shankaracharya, maybe in 12th century or 10th century or 13th century, started this marg. At that time, Vaishnava marg had six distinct divisions. One is Udvaita Darshan, that is propounded by Shankaracharya. Second one is Dvaita Darshan, propounded by Madhavacharya. Third one is Vihista Dvaita Darshan, Ramanujacharya. Fourth one is Huddha Dvaita Darshan, Vallabhacharya. Fifth one is Dvaita Darshan, Nigamacharya. And sixth one is Oshinta Vedabhe Darshan, that was propounded by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In these six divisions, they have differentiated sometimes, they have accumulated Jiva, Deh, and Vishnu, Atma. Jiva, Deh, and Atma. They differentiated somewhere that Jiva is a different one, Deh is a different one, and Atma, Paramatma is a different one. Atma is a different one. But some opine that no, both are existence. On the basis of all these doctrine, all these principles of differentiation and similarities, these darshans are exist. That is Vaishnavite culture. But in case of Assam, the Vaishnavite path is quite different from these six paths, because the Vaishnavite in Assam, the Vaishnava culture is dominated only by worshipping Lord Krishna, not ritualistically or any other means of Hinduism. That means meditations or jag, yajna, puja, these things are not required. Only chanting the names of Lord Krishna or chanting the activities of Lord Krishna during the Daparjuga. This is the only way, and this is the Vaishnavite culture of Assam that was propounded in 15th century, last part of the 15th century and early part of 16th century by Srimanta Shankaradeva. And he was greatly supported by his disciple Madhav Deva and other disciple Damodar Deva and so on. The other followers of him all are supported. All supported his ideology, Shankaradev's ideology. So Assamese Vaishnavite culture is quite different from the rest of the Vaishnavite culture of India. So generally, people term as Vaishnavite culture as a neo-Vaishnavite culture. But actually this neo-Vaishnavite culture means it was the culture of Vaishnavism where only Lord Krishna is worshipped. Therefore, Madhav Deva, the ardent devotee of Shankaradeva, termed this path as Eko Haran Hari Nam Dharma. Ek Haran Hari Nam Dharma. That is only to worship, only to take initiation with the Lord Krishna. To initiate the Lord Krishna, no need of any ritualistic pattern is required or ritualistic manner is required. No need. Only the chanting the names of Lord Krishna is required. That was the Assamese Vaishnavite culture. Now we are going to discuss in details about the Assamese Vaishnavite culture, which was known as Ekakhan Harinam Dharma throughout the state of Assam, and it is quite different from the other Vaishnavite trends of the other Vaishnavite trends like Shankaracharya trends, Madhavacharya, Balamacharya, even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So next time we will discuss on these things. Okay.